Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to clear Apple Maps history. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go on one of your devices where you have Apple Maps, so it can be an iPhone, iPad, MacBook, whatever, and of course open the application. Then as you can see, you will have the place where you are at the moment. You'll have the search bar where you can go and search for any maps that you of course want, so any of course locations. You'll have your profile, your favorite locations, which you can go and add, and your recent locations. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear Apple Maps history. So it is pretty simple. When you open your app and when you of course have some history, so first of all you need to go to the search bar, search some things to have history. Then after that, you need to go and open this, and here you have the recents. So those are the recents, and that's the history that you have of course made on this application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and click on the more, and here you'll have all the locations that you have put in here in the app. All you need to do is go and click on clear, and voila, they're all cleared. You do not have any more recent locations on your Apple Maps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.